Finding the balance between deeply held opposing views, while never forgetting the needs of the disengaged, requires patience, resourcefulness, and grit. Although you have faced recent setbacks, to have come to the cusp of a historic peace agreement against the expectations of many is a testament to your courage and perseverance, and that of the Colombian people.
If there is any country that has stood by Colombia in both the good and the bad times, it has been the United Kingdom. That is why today, Your Majesty, I wish to acknowledge and thank you for the cooperation we have received and continue to receive in areas as diverse as security, education, human rights, justice, and the environment.